One busy morning, a man named Tom was taking the train to work. The train was full, and people were moving quickly. Tom sat by the window, listening to music and thinking about his day. When he reached his stop, he stood up fast and left the train. A few minutes later, he reached for his wallet. But it wasn't there. He checked all his pockets and his bag. Nothing. "Oh no," he said. His ID, money, and cards were all inside. He felt worried and sad. He called the train office, but no one had found it. A week passed. Tom had already told himself, "It's gone. Someone probably took it." Then one morning, a small brown envelope arrived in his mailbox. It had no name, just his address. He opened it slowly. Inside was his wallet. Everything still there, the money, the cards, even his photo. There was also a small note. It said, "The world still has good people." Tom smiled for the first time that week. He didn't know who returned it, but it didn't matter. He felt warm inside, not because he got his wallet back, but because he realized something bigger. Kindness still exists in the world. That evening, he went to a bakery and bought 2 extra loaves of bread. He gave one to a man sitting outside. "For you?" Tom said with a smile. The man looked surprised and said, "Thank you." Tom walked away, holding the other loaf and thinking goodness should keep moving like a circle.